Hello, Chef here once again with some valuable information for you, keep you on the cutting edge of what's happening, and daily nutrition and how to live longer and healthier. So here we go. An apple a day. It's a very old term or phrase, and there's a lot of reason for it. I'm going to go over just a few things with you, but first, got this beautiful apple here. I'm going to cut it. Let's see. Minimal waste, that's important. Some beautiful pieces right here. Now it doesn't matter if you slice it, or if you dice it, or if you julienne it. However you want to consume your apple. So, eat your apple a day, and trust me when I tell you it's superfood, super good for you, will ward off all kinds of sicknesses and, you know, health things, pollen and, you know, germs that are out there, and you're getting your apple every day. That's very important. There's no pill the pharmaceutical companies have created. There's nothing that equals the nutrition of the apple, including the skin. They might try, of course. I do take vitamins. I recommend vitamins for you, but it does not replace the natural power and healing of fresh fruit like this. The video will continue a little bit, and I'll put some facts in here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. And right there you'll find all the cool stuff that the chef uses in the videos, like titanium knives, maple butcher block, made in America, all the good stuff to keep you cutting edge. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Click that little like button. Yeah. This is edge grain maple with mineral oil finish. A little bit rougher, great for cutting, chopping, cooking on. This is also edge grain maple. This one's been oiled a little bit more. Moving on, we've got edge grain walnut with a smooth varnish finish. And we have edge grain cherry with a smooth varnish finish. Okay, this is a food safe varnish, really nice. Wanted to show you these colors. Also, there's a few different base models here. So sometimes people order butcher blocks and they come with legs and bases. So this is useful gray stain, pretty nice. And this is cherry stain, very popular. This is French roast, also popular. Black. So this is the barn red, very popular. Barn red and maple look great together. French roast and maple look great together. Cherry stain and maple look great together. Useful gray and maple look great together. And I got one more for you, the ever popular black and maple. I like it. Also black and cherry, very popular. Looks really nice together, you can see that. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and shop American. Buy made in the USA. This is quality, people. Quality, made to last. Here, I wanted to show you the difference between American cherry. This is American cherry with the food safe varnish finish, and this is American cherry with just regular mineral oil finish. It's a little dry, ready to be oiled. I just wanted to show you the difference next to each other here, okay? If you need to get either of these woods or quotes, just contact your sponsor. And this is made in the USA, super high quality. This is a slight eased edge right here. It's just sanded very, very slightly. And wow, beautiful wood. I love it. Great for an office, desk, bar top, kitchen countertops, or whatever. Contact your sponsor to get pricing today. Have a great day.